Hi guys, welcome to 10 minutes of beginner friendly workout which you can do it with me right now. No dumbbell, no resistance band. You just need your strength and stamina to do this workout. In just 10 minutes, we are going to wake up your body, build strength in your body, and you are gonna feel energetic throughout the day. Just take up your water bottle and tie up your shoes and let's get started. We will start our workout with just 1 minute warm up. So just opening up your arms, opening up your wrist, moving your toes. Just a little warm up before any workout makes a huge difference. Making circles with your left hand and with your right hand. Now swinging your hands with raising alternate legs, like stretching your arms, your legs, and stretching your back at the same time. Now touching our feet with alternate hands. These are very basic stretchings and the workout too is gonna very basic but very effective. So do it with me, don't lose hope and stay motivated. Now twisting our waist in clockwise and then anti-clockwise direction. Few more seconds and we will start with our first exercise of this workout, which is jumping jacks. We will do all the exercises for 45 seconds and then we'll take 15 seconds rest. हम jumping jacks भी 45 seconds के लिए करेंगे. Since it's a beginner workout routine, so it's a mix of cardio and strength training with your body weight, not using any dumbbell or any equipments. Take this jump on your toes as high as much as you can and keep your core tight. Keep your core intact. Jumping jack is very good to start your workout with because it elevates your heart rate and it will boost your blood flow. 5 more seconds left and we will take a break of 15 seconds. Great, you did your first exercise of this workout routine. Now take a break of 10 seconds. Our next exercise is mountain climbers. It's again a cardio. Place your hands just below the shoulder, like elbow, shoulder, wrist in same line. Drive your knees one at a time. Don't rush. Keep your hips steady and keep your core tight. In all the exercises, keep your core tight. माउंटेन क्लाइंबर्स भी बिगिनिंग में लोगों से नहीं होती है. मुझसे भी 30-40 रिप्स के बाद ये नहीं होती थी. बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल बिल्ड योर स्ट्रेंथ, योर स्टैमिना टू डू ऑल दीज वर्कआउट्स लाइक आई डिड. Just 5 more seconds and we will again take a breather, a rest of 15 seconds. So yeah, we are done with our second exercise. Now just take a break. You can sip onto water. Moving towards our next exercise, which is knee push-ups. It's great workout to build strength in your upper body. It's a beginner friendly version of full push-ups. Lie down on the floor with your knees crossing your legs and feel like you are pushing the floor against you. Go down slowly as much as you can, push the floor and come up. It can be quite tough because if you don't have strength in your arms, you can't do knee push-ups also. So with time, you will build your strength, will build your stamina. Don't give up, just keep on trying. Last 10 seconds of this exercise, few more reps to be done. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Taking another break of 15 seconds. In this break, you can stretch your arms a bit. Now keeping mat aside because we are gonna do burpees. So our next exercise is burpees. It's again a high intensity cardio. Just go on your pace, squat down, put your hands on the floor, jump your feet back into a high plank. Keep your core tight, your back is straight. Burpees can literally be tough, especially if you are a beginner. When I was a beginner, for me, it was the toughest exercise. Yeah, after squat, I don't like squat that much when I started working out. But trust me, this is the time where you will have to motivate yourself, and you can do it. If I can, anybody can. Now last two reps and we are done with our fourth exercise, and we are halfway done. Just after doing burpees, it's feel like you are done, like I'm done with my workout session. But yeah, it's still, we have halfway more to go. You can too take a sip of water or electrolytes and just see the amount of sweat, guys. Now moving towards our next exercise, which is hip thrust. And if you are a beginner too, then it's very beginner friendly because it's so easy exercise. Lie down on the floor with your feet touching the ground, squeeze the glutes at the top and hold it for a few seconds. But if you want to make it more challenging, then you can raise your legs alternately, like side by side as I'm showing in the video. Squeeze your glutes, hold on the position, keep your core tight. Or else you can do normal hip thrust. Don't raise your legs until and unless you are comfortable with. Just give your own area, give your own space. Be comfortable with your workouts, with your exercises. It's your break time. Just 4 more minutes left, 4 more exercises left, and you are sorted for the day or your evening. Now it's time for squat. Stand with your feet like shoulder width apart. अपने दोनों पैरों के बीच में shoulder length जितना distance रखिए. Keep your chest up, keep your core tight, push your hips down as much as you can. Here is the side view. Bend your knees until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Keep your knees in line with your toes, and while standing up, keep focus on your glutes. Don't bend your knees first. When I was a beginner, for me squats were so tough, but the impact, the strength it gives to your lower body is amazing. And when you see the result, आपको खुद squat सबसे best workout लगने लगेगा for your lower body. Okay, we are done. Have a break, but don't have Kit Kat till you are on your fat loss journey. You can swing your legs to relax them. It makes a huge difference. Now our last two exercises are for core. So just lie down on the floor and we are gonna do bicycle crunches. You can put your hands behind your head and touch your opposite elbow to opposite knees. Don't put pressure on your neck, like don't twist it too much. Put your all pressure, all your efforts on your core, like twist your core. This was the workout which when I started with, I was not able to touch my elbow and knee because of my belly fat. But I don't know when, with time, it's now so easy to do it, and I can do easily 100 crunches at a time. So push yourself, push beyond your limits, have faith in yourself, and we are done. Just 5 more seconds. Our next exercise is also for core in just 3, 2, and 1. Just lying down on the floor, enjoying the feeling that I'm done with the workout. Just 2 more exercises left, one for core and last is 50 seconds plank. Okay, our next exercise is leg raise. Just lie down on your back, lift your legs slowly, keep your core tight, feel the pressure in your core. No rushing, have control movements of your legs. I know your core is hurting, but don't give up. Just last 10 seconds left for this exercise, and we will end this up with 1 minute plank or 45 seconds of plank. 3, 2, and 1. Now take a 15 seconds break, and then we will end this workout with 45 seconds of plank. I'm removing my shoes for that perfect grip, otherwise, I used to slip on the floor. If you are a beginner, then plank can be a little tough to hold like for 1 minute. You can start with 15 seconds, then increase the timings with 20 seconds, then 30 seconds, then make it 1 minute plank challenge. Keep your core tight, keep your body straight. Just hold it for few seconds left, and we are done with our workout routine. You are sorted to enjoy your day or your evening. And yeah, after this workout, have a healthy, high protein breakfast. Don't ruin your efforts by eating those fried and sugary food items. Last 10 seconds, champions. Don't lose hope. Hold it for a few more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great. Have a clap for yourself. I'm lying down in this position. It's my favorite position to relax my feet, to relax my body. Just doing a few more stretchings for my shoulder, for my back. Don't end your workout abruptly. Just do few more stretchings with me. Relax your body and enjoy this feeling that you are the champions. You did it. You started your day or your evening with this workout routine. So it was my first video on workout. I don't know how to shoot, how to film, how to talk, like what to say. But yeah, do let me know how was it. Bye bye.